Overheat. Oh!
Alright, welcome to my garage. So last time we brought the car at my new house, and then I had no garage, so now we finished building it, and I'm still trying to put my tools at the right spot. Like, it's quite a bit messy in here, but it's good enough so I can start and work on the car. So yeah, I brought the car inside the garage and then I started to tear it apart. So now the inside is completely stripped, engine bay almost done. There's no trunk. I need to remove the doors, transmission, rear axle, differential and drive shaft. And yeah, for now that's it. So today the plan is to finish stripping the car, remove everything else, and then it's gonna be a bare shell so I can start do some fabrication. So as you can see, I had a bit of rust here, so I wanted to make sure there was no rust behind it, so I removed that and I discovered a bit of rust, so I'm happy I removed the panel. So what I'm gonna do, I'll cut this here and then I'll build a brace with tubing. It's gonna go through here and weld it here, so it's gonna help hold the front end. So I went ahead and cut the rust out. So as you can see here, the tube's gonna go here, so I can weld it here, through here, and then around here is gonna be the other spot on the frame. So it's gonna be all welded up, it's gonna be strong. So inside the car, it's almost completely stripped. There's fuel lines, brake pedal and clutch pedal, and brake. But other than that, it's pretty much stripped. I still need to remove a bit of sound deadening, but it's mostly done. After that I'll remove the windows. So in the trunk there's not much going on yet, but the plan is to cut this part here, make it flat, remove all the useless bracket, cut here to save weight and remove mostly the rust, because underneath the frame here is pretty bad. There's a lot of rust and there's a hole, so the plan is to remove that too and make it out of tubing. So to save as much weight as I can, I'll remove the glass window and I'll install the polycarbonate window. I might do the rear one and probably the passenger and driver side windows. We'll see for the windshield. So yesterday we went ahead and removed, on both the hubs and the control arm. So the plan today is to remove all this, remove the subframe, the transmission, and then get everything out. by the
tail shaft.
whoops. She's free. Instead of undoing that big bolt, we'll just remove the 4 bolt for the subframe, and then everything's gonna drop. Let's hope it doesn't snap.
Now we're gonna show you how to do a rust delete.
Take your impact and just give her. This is all weight rejection. Oh yeah. And it snapped.
First broken bolt of the project. There she's going.
Oh, fuck.
Game over.
Remember, comment forcer sur mon dos.
Lift with your back.
Yeah, like that.
The graveyard.
Ouais. Peut-être amener une autre. Yeah.
Woo!
Crusty.
Nice.
Fuck it, you did.
Very nice. Step number 2 with the valve open. Slowly draining. Whoa!
Dun, 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 dun.
Here it goes.
So some guys are spending like 4 hours trying to burn that, or like grind it, or I don't know, it just takes 2 seconds with a steel wire wheel. Make it disappear. Alright, so took out this much of that crappy thing.
Sound deadening.
Yeah, like I think it's might be like 5 pounds or something like that. Like it's hard to hold like that. And that was only the tiny bit that was left in the car. And I took maybe 2 of these full, so like must be like 25 pounds of sound deadening I took out of the car. So yeah, I'm happy.
Good weight reduction.
Yeah. Who wants a quarter panel? I would say 200 bucks. It's pretty straight.
Throw it up on Kijiji. Not too bad actually.